Hello, I'm Steve McEwen, and this video is intended to meet the audio-visual requirement of the Capella University portfolio requirement, the doctorate program. Currently I'm an educator, and I am a director of technology for Salem Lutheran School, a private school of 425 students in a town about 30 miles north of Houston, Texas. I've been working in this capacity for the last 7 years. I am also a minister of religion for the Lutheran Church. I started the Capella program in order to attain my goals and objectives for my career, which are to become a director of education for Lutheran schools. During the Capella program, I have come across a lot of challenges, and some of them relate directly back to the campus that I work with at this time, Salem Lutheran School. I'd like to go into a little bit more about my background before I get into some of that. And I have 10 years of retail management experience with Home Depot at a district management level. At that time, I didn't know that everything I was learning on that job would carry over to my existing role and capacity the way it has, but it has helped me a great deal in effectively managing change and managing personnel and informed decision making. After 10 years of retail management, I went in and decided to attain a higher education. I previously earned my bachelor's in business and started studying for my master's in education. Finished my master's of education in 2006. Then a year after that, I earned my Lutheran colloquy for a minister of religion. And then I started the doctorate program with Capella University for leadership and management within education. As I mentioned earlier, my goals and objectives was to continue my education to become a director of education within the Salem Lutheran school system. And there's been a direct relationship between what I have learned at Capella and what I am currently doing on the job. Currently, I am leading the way of technology transformation within the Lutheran system, not just for Salem, but for the entire Texas district. I am also the Director of Technology for the Texas District. I just inherited that within the last year. Here at this campus, that's grades K through 8, we have implemented educational technology and an integration plan. This is the series of change and change management that I'm using for my doctorate studies, specifically the portion of successful integration and what that model looks like and how to achieve success with an educational technology. During the course of this process, I've had to lead the way with focus teams, administrators, and outsource for some advice on the process of change management. Everything that I've seen in the Capella program directly relates to what I have experienced on the job at this campus, and especially the 10-80-10 rule of management, where 10% are against it, 80% are for it, and then 10% or 80% are in the middle, and then the other 10% is all for the change. The 10-80-10 rule has applied very effectively in the change management process. Also, the espoused theories versus the theories in use have been very evident along the way, where the administration wanted the technology education to be before I came aboard, and what was actually happening were two different approaches to the system. So it's very fascinating to see that tie-in between the Capella program and the change management process here at this school. The training that I've experienced here with the Capella program will impact the future by giving me the capability to make informed decisions as I move forward. I am within a year of a promotion to Assistant Director of Technology as I leave the technology umbrella just at Salem and continue my career at a more of a district level for the Lutheran school system. I'm going to apply what I've learned on the job and apply and what I've learned with the Capella program directly to a much larger scope, innovative scope of change across the Lutheran school system as technology is implemented in the majority of Lutheran schools. This training will continue to evolve as I learn more and more about change management and experience it in the field. I'm very grateful that I've had the opportunity to now progress from the Capella Core program into the dissertation phase next January. I'm looking forward to it. It's an exciting, wonderful opportunity to add to my resume and to add to my portfolio, and I am grateful that I've had this opportunity. Thank you for watching.